Macau, and we're gonna go check this out. So over here is, let's see if I can walk through it, Mother Mary. And actually what's interesting about this one is there's a whole rosary that goes around it. So I think it's a rosary. I think it's 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 beads. So I don't know how many people are Catholic, but I was raised Catholic. So basically what you do in a rosary is you'll do like 10 Hail Marys. So you'll hold this and you'll say, Hail Mary, full of grace.
Chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so recently I did a video about a Portuguese area in Macau. I'm going to do another one like that. One of the people commented on there that usually don't see, they're from the Philippines and they probably know who they are because they're probably watching this, as one of my loyal viewers, one of about 75, but about 5 that comment. Make sure that you comment. If you comment, just say anything you want to say. It doesn't really matter because it goes into the algorithm. So yeah, definitely comment. Just say anything, it doesn't matter. And I'll probably respond because I don't have that many viewers, so it's interesting for me as well. This right here is a theater, and you can see it right here, Don Pedro Theater, 1860. And so this would have been a Portuguese area. And then down by this right here is a Jesuit church and also a Jesuit Calçada de Teatro, street of the theater. And then I was reading some history books about Macau, and apparently this street used to be parallel to over there, not too far away, is where the ocean used to be. So this would have been a little bit uphill, and this would have been kind of a classy street that would have had a lot of cool stuff that people would do back in historical Macau, like a bunch of fashion kind of shops. And then this had been all kind of Portuguese Catholic stuff. Portuguese theater. The acoustics here are amazing. I saw some musicians perform in here before, and some theater in here too, and it's like, wow, really amazing acoustics. I think it's like a South African choir that I watched here among other choirs, and they were saying it was like one of the best. Like they just were really impressed with the acoustics. So okay, this is the church. This is all part of historical Portugal as well. Sometimes I've been doing videos where I count foreigners, so if I was doing one of those videos, there's quite a few up here, and you can hear them already. Foreigners, Filipinos, there's quite a few. You can kind of hear them talking over here. Let's see what else. There's not really that many. Looks like the ones. Okay, so let's just focus on this central historic area of Macau. And St. Augustine's Church, San Lorenzo, Seminary and Church, Augusta Square, and the Teatro, and then there's a few other ones too. So this is the square, and then we're gonna go around and check out some of the others too, and to get out of the sunlight. So, okay. So yeah, this would be another Portuguese area of Macau, and we're gonna go check this out. So over here is, let's see if I can walk through it, Mother Mary. And actually what's interesting about this one is there's a whole rosary that goes around it. So I think it's a rosary. I think it's 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 beads. So I don't know how many people are Catholic, but I was raised Catholic. So basically what you do in a rosary is you'll do like 10 Hail Marys. So you'll hold this and you'll say, Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee, and you say the whole prayer, and then you do another prayer, another prayer, another prayer, another prayer. So in my Catholic origin, I would have had my grandmother, Catholic grandmother, Catholic grandfather would do these prayers, and on my Irish side. So anyways, that's Mother Mary. Ooh, very photogenic here. Wow, it's like that's just permanently there for pictures, it looks like. Wow, never noticed that before. That's kind of cool. I bet you anything if they put, like in Malaysia they have the same thing, right? And they put like a little boy on the bike and he looks like he's riding it and they paint it into the artwork. Looks like this has been here a while. Or they use it all the time because that's like kind of rubbed against that. Might be one of the Jesuit priests. Okay, so here is not allowed. Let's poke around a little bit. Let's see. So this is a seminary. And then over here is a library. So okay, it's in Portuguese. St. Joseph's Seminary and Church right here. Okay. So we're gonna keep walking around this little Catholic-ish area. This one is the bibliothèque, and Portuguese, Chinese, of course, and I think they also put it in Japanese, I think. Oh yeah, this is in Japanese over here. So they put it in 4 languages. If you want to read about it, this is 1918. I would go in there, but I think you have to do a temperature check right now. And I kind of want to just keep exploring. So over there is still more of the Portuguese, cool stuff like that. Beautiful courtyard of this one. There you go. If you want to look it up on Google Maps, you can. There's another plaza inside here, and it's closed right there. This is a little park. It's Sunday, so yeah, that's St. Augustine's. There's a beautiful, like, I don't know what this one is right there, but you can see all those windows are open right now. Actually, all of them up there, and there's a bell up there too. So it's pretty interesting as well. So this is another little Portuguese area of Macau, and a coffee shop, Galley Cafe. So okay, called Largo de Santo Agostinho. And then right here is a police station, so we're gonna end this, and we're gonna end it right here. It's already at 8 minutes. Okay, Sede Banco Delta Asia. And then down there is a journal. This is a Portuguese newspaper. Portuguese artist. Right next to it is says Mr. Beer, which is a Dom Gallo Portuguese restaurant. That blue building right there. Blue building. Portuguese newspaper. Me. And we'll end it in St. Augustine's, and we'll call this one a finished, complete video. This is St. Augustine's. So there it is right there. They got these kiosks too, so we're just gonna film these kiosks as well. There we go. So we're gonna finish it right there. These little kiosks, you can buy stuff, buy things, and enjoy the nice cool weather.
Chiquinha.